Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, Vancouver Chiropractor, here today with longtime patient DEANNA, who's going to help us demonstrate some stretches which will help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and help improve posture. Stretching is one of three components of spinal hygiene. So when you combine stretching with regular physical activity and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and you're working towards making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy this video. If you like it and you find it useful, leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot more great videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life.
This next exercise is push-ups. We're going to have you go into plank position and then work your way down using your arms and the triceps and bicep muscles. When doing a push-up, you want to make sure that the hands are underneath the shoulders to minimize stress through the shoulder joint. And you can modify this activity by putting your knees onto the ground to make it slightly easier. And keep breathing through this exercise. Stronger muscles help prevent injury and treat pain. Good job, people.
Thanks for watching. My name's Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, then please visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online or you can email us with any questions that you have. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I've got a lot more great useful information coming your way to live your healthiest and happiest life. Enjoy, everybody.